Hello again. This is VSOP coming back at you with another rum review. Now, the one we're going to dive into today is one I've been wanting to try for a while. Now, this one store I go to has had a couple bottles in stock for a while. And the only reason I haven't grabbed it in the past is because it's a little steep, it's a little pricey. All right, it's $74.99. But somebody went in there and bought one of them. So I figured, well, I better run in there and get that one because who knows if they ever going to get one back in or not. All right. Now, it's another Rhum Agricole from Martinique, which I've been super high on, super stoked on that rum. And everything I've tried from Martinique has been fantastic. All right. And I've heard a lot of really good things about this particular distillery. All right. So I went ahead and grabbed it. And this is what I'm talking about. All right. Now, I don't know if I'm going to get the pronunciation right or not, but I think it's a Neisson, all right? I think that's the proper pronunciation. But this is one of the distilleries that's been on Martinique for a long time. Anyway, this one is an aged rum, and it's the Réserve Spéciale, all right? And that's supposed to be the good one. Comes in at 42% alcohol, which is 84 proof, so it's a little higher, but not much. Anyway, I haven't opened it yet. But I'm going to do that right now and taste it, okay? All right, let's do it. Okay? All right. Bring on over my El Dorado rum glass. There it is. Okay, let's pour some in. Glug, glug, glug. That looks good. All right. Now, let's swirl it around because that's what you do. Get it going. Got a beautiful color. Really nice dark amber color. Ooh, that's nice. All right, let's sniffy. Oh my. Wow, that is good. Ooh. That is some kind of good. That's got a whole lot of aroma going on. Wow, the sugar cane comes through. A little bit of oakiness, just a little bit. But man, those Caribbean tropical fruit flavors, I mean, not flavors, but aromas coming through. Wow. And there's something else there. I'm not quite able to nail it down, but it's different. I don't know. Almost like a creamy, buttery, butterscotch sort of aroma. That's different. All right, let's taste. Oh boy. That is good. Of all the Martinique rums I've tried so far, this one, it tastes like a Martinique rum, but it's got a little bit going on there that's different. I'm going to see if I can nail it down for you. It's got that, definitely got that sugarcane agricole flavor going on. And it's got a little bit of sweetness going on. Definitely nice. The fruit flavors coming through. But there's something different. It hits the top of my, I don't know, it's weird. Sort of comes in on the top of my mouth. If that makes any sense. Let me try that again. I don't know what it is, but it is good. All right, it is good. Almost like I would say like a pineapple, maybe. Mango. Banana, maybe. That's different. Wow, that's good. Wow, that is really tasty. I've been wanting to try this one for a long time, and I'm glad I grabbed it. Even though it's $74.99, I'm glad I got it. I'm just thankful that my financial situation allowed me to do it. You know what I mean? Wow, that's good. Almost like the darker tones of a Guyana rum coming through a little bit. Maybe like the fig and the plum and the raisin. A little bit. Of all the Martinique rums I've tried, this one is definitely standing out on its own, let me tell you. But man, that's good. Worth every penny, let me tell you what. All right. So wherever it is you get your stuff, if you see this, you might consider it. This is, like I said, this is the Réserve Spéciale, the aged rum. All right. They have a couple other ones. There's another store I go to that's got the other two, and they're considerably less expensive. So I might grab one of those too. But this one is, wow, this one's good. All right. And if you like them Martinique Agricole rums, I think you'll go bananas for this one. All right. And if you tried those other Neisson products, if you can grab a hold of this one, I say grab it, get it, and enjoy it. All right. So if you do happen to grab one, I hope that you love it. And please drink responsibly. All right. Bye.